Good morning, dear students. How are you? I hope you all fit and fine. This is your chemistry class. But before starting the work, let's take pledge. I, Ramandeep Kaur, commit to be vigilant and bear in mind at all times the risk to myself and my colleagues from COVID-19. I promise to take all necessary precautions that prevent the spread of this deadly virus. I promise to follow and encourage others to follow the key COVID appropriate behaviors, to always wear a mask or face cover, especially when in public places, to maintain a minimum distance of 6 feet from others, to wash my hands frequently and thoroughly with soap and water. Together we will win this fight against COVID-19. So now let's start with chemistry. In this video we will discuss about chapter 2, that is physical and chemical changes. You observe many changes around you throughout the day. You observe them at your home, school, playground and many other places. For example, sudden change in weather, rainfall, flowering of plants, germination of seeds, cooking of rice, making of chapatis, burning of fireworks, etc. There are so many changes around you, and every change has a cause which bring it about. Some of the changes which you see are alteration in positions, shape, size, color, state, temperature, composition and structure. Some changes produce new substances and others not. Some changes can be reversed back and others cannot. So there are so many type of changes. You can see there are different kind of changes. Some changes are slow, some are fast, some are desirable, some are undesirable, some are periodic, some are non-periodic, some are reversible. Most of changes are different from one another. Therefore changes need to be classified in order to understand them properly. Changes can be classified into different kinds. Just like first kind is slow and fast changes. Those changes which occur in a short time, that change is called slow change, and which change takes place over a long period of time, that change is called fast change. You can see example. Sundial monitoring the changes while sun travels. Similarly, water boils to change into water vapor. This is also a slow change. Chapatis which are formed from wheat, it is also a slow change. पहले हम wheat grain को फ्लोर में चेंज करते हैं, आफ्टर दैट इसको डव बनाते हैं, उसके बाद चपातीस बनाते हैं. सो दिस इज ऑल्सो अ स्लो चेंज. When we burn a paper, it will leave a black residue and smoke on burning. So this is also a fast change because it takes place in a short time. ये बहुत कम टाइम में हो जाता है, सो इसे हम क्या बोलेंगे, फास्ट चेंज. सिमिलरली इफ यू रबर और struck a matchstick against a rough surface, it burns. It is also a fast change. Similarly, blooming of a flower from its bud is a slow change. It takes a lot of time. Another example, changing milk to curd is a slow change. We can mix a small amount of curd to lukewarm milk and keep it aside. After few hours, it changes into curd. कई घंटों के बाद ये कर्ड में चेंज होता है, ऐसे नहीं कि इमीडिएटली ये कर्ड में चेंज हो गया. सो दिस इज ऑल्सो अ स्लो चेंज. सिमिलरली रस्टिंग ऑफ आयरन, इट्स ऑल्सो टेक अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम टू अकर, सो दैट्स वाई इट्स ऑल्सो अ slow change. Iron article undergo rusting when iron and moisture are available, so it takes place over a long period of time. Another example, germination of seed is another example of slow change. Another type of change is reversible and irreversible changes. The changes that can be reversed are called रिवर्सिबल चेंजेस, जिस चेंज को हम फिर से रिएक्टेंट से जो प्रोडक्ट बनता है, प्रोडक्ट से हम फिर से रिएक्टेंट ऑब्टेन कर सकते हैं, उस चेंज को हम क्या बोलते हैं? रिवर्सिबल चेंजेस। जस्ट लाइक वाटर को हम आइस में कन्वर्ट कर सकते हैं बाय कूलिंग। आइस क्यूब को अगर हम टेम्परेचर प्रोवाइड कर दें तो वो फिर से किस में चेंज हो जाएगा? वाटर में। सो जो हमारे पास फाइनल प्रोडक्ट बना उसको हम उसकी ओरिजिनल स्टेट में ले जा सकते हैं। सो दिस इज़ अ रिवर्सिबल चेंजेस। Another type is irreversible changes. The changes that cannot be reversed are called irreversible changes. Just like wheat once converted into flour cannot be reversed into wheat. अगर हमने wheat को एक बार flour में convert कर लिया, flour से हम इसको फिर से wheat में convert नहीं कर सकते. So this is a irreversible change. Another type is periodic and non-periodic change. The change which takes place after a fixed time interval are known as a periodic change. जो चेंज एक फिक्स टाइम ऑफ इंटरवल के बाद फिर से रिपीट होते हैं उनको हम क्या बोलते हैं? पीरियोडिक चेंज। जस्ट लाइक मून, ठीक है, न्यू मून एंड फुल मून डे अकर आफ्टर अ फिक्स्ड नंबर ऑफ डेज. So this is also a periodic change. Similarly, low tides and high tides occur in the sea every day after a fixed interval of time. So this is an example of periodic change. Similarly, there are so many other examples for periodic change. Another type is non-periodic changes. The changes which do not follow any definite time interval to occur are called non-periodic changes. जिन चेंजेस के फिर से अकर होने का कोई डेफिनेट टाइम इंटरवल नहीं है, मींस वो एक फिक्स टाइम इंटरवल के बाद फिर से रिपीट नहीं होती, उन मोशन को हम क्या बोलते हैं? नॉन पीरियोडिक मोशन. जस्ट लाइक एग्जांपल है स्टॉर्म की, फ्लड की और अर्थक्वेक. ये डेफिनेट टाइम ऑफ इंटरवल के बाद रिपीट नहीं होते, ये अनप्रेडिक्टेबल होते हैं, फिर से कब आएंगे ये किसी को नहीं पता. सो दैट्स वाई दीज आर नॉन पीरियोडिक चेंजेस. Another type of changes is desirable and undesirable changes. The changes that are useful to us are desirable changes. जो changes हमारे लिए useful हैं उनको हम desirable changes बोलते हैं. You might have seen how dirty and used utensils are cleaned in our homes. We use soap, ash to remove oil and dirt stuck to the utensils. Now these cleaned utensils can be used again in the kitchen. So this is a desirable change. Another example, cleaning of our used and dirty clothes is another example of desirable changes. Undesirable changes. The changes harmful to human beings or which cause destruction are called undesirable changes. जो चेंजेस ह्यूमन के लिए हार्मफुल हैं और जो डिस्ट्रक्शन कॉज करते हैं उन चेंजेस को हम क्या बोलते हैं? अनडिज़ायरेबल चेंजेस. When ripened foods or cooked food is kept for long time without refrigerator, it starts rotting. Its taste, texture and color may change. Eating of such fruit or food can cause health problem. Thus, rotting of fruit or food is undesirable changes. जब हम फ्रूट्स को या कुक्ड फूड को ज़्यादा टाइम के लिए विदाउट रेफ्रिजरेटर रख देते हैं तो उनके टेस्ट में, टेक्सचर में और कलर में चेंज आ जाता है. अगर हम ऐसे फूड को खाएंगे तो हमारे लिए हेल्थ प्रॉब्लम होगी. सो दिस इज़ हार्मफुल फॉर अस. सो दैट्स वाई इट इज़ अ अनडिज़ायरेबल चेंजेस. देयर इज़ अ टेबल. You can make a list of desirable changes and undesirable changes according to you. You might have seen in your home that milk is boiled before storing it for a day. Boiling of milk helps in killing the bacteria present in the milk. However, preparation of curd from milk by the action of bacteria is a desirable change. अगर हमने कर्ड बनाना है मिल्क से बाय द एक्शन ऑफ बैक्टीरिया, ये डिज़ायरेबल चेंज है क्योंकि ये हमारे लिए यूज़फुल है. द बॉइलिंग ऑफ मिल्क टू अ पर्टिकुलर टेम्परेचर टू किल बैक्टीरिया इज नोन आ पेस्चुराइजेशन. इसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? पेस्चुराइजेशन. सो दिस इज ऑल अबाउट द टाइप ऑफ चेंजेस. If you have any doubt or problem regarding this topic, then we will discuss in your online class. Thanks students. Have a nice day.